What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to open games on a second monitor on Steam using Big Picture Mode from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. To do this is actually very simple because Steam already includes this feature in Big Picture Mode. Assuming you have a second monitor or display where you want to play your games, here's what you need to do. First, make sure your Steam client is open. Then, click on View at the top and select Big Picture Mode. You can also enter Big Picture Mode using the icon at the top right corner of Steam. Once you click it, Steam will relaunch in Big Picture Mode. After you're inside Big Picture Mode, click on the Steam menu, the Start button for Steam, and then select Settings. Under Settings, choose the Display option. Inside the display settings, you'll see an option called Preferred Display. This is where you choose which monitor Big Picture Mode and your games will launch on. If you have two monitors, the drop-down menu will show both of them. Simply select the monitor you want your Steam games to open on. I only have one monitor here, so only one option appears. But if you had two, you would see both listed. Once you choose your preferred monitor, Steam will always launch games on that screen through Big Picture Mode. And that's all there is to it. Now let's exit Big Picture Mode and return to the regular Steam interface. So yeah, that's how you open your Steam games on a second monitor using Big Picture Mode. Simple and straightforward. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, let us know down in the comments. If you want to see more daily guides like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.